Hello YouTube, we made this little peace sign out of that 1/8" welding rod. This did get egg-shaped. I tried making it rounder and I was making it worse, so I just took advantage of it. It's egg-shaped. Believe me, it's bigger here than there. We're going to clean it off, wire brush it. Just practicing. I did use a smaller diameter rod. I used propane, but it's not as good as mapp gas because you have to get the rod almost started to melt, then get the torch down and get that red. So I wouldn't recommend thinking you're going to do a whole lot using propane. It's not worth all the time it takes. Just spend your money on a mapp gas if you own the same torch I have. So there you go. On that, let's clean it up and see what it looks like. Okay, we used the pink stone to get most of the brazing off, and then the flux. Wherever it's black, it's probably that flux looks like glass. We're going to use this to get like down in these corners. Got to get the flux out of there. If you don't, it just comes back and corrodes it over the years. It'll flake off. So no matter what you do, well, this will always be bare metal. It'll probably have some oil or something on it, or wax. There you go. We'll go over it real quick with this, let you see it, and then we're off to our wire brush on the drill. Okay, we took our diamond one and got down in all these little nooks and crannies, and everywhere the wire brush can't get, like in here, it can get this surface, but it can't get down in here, so you can only really brush like this, you know, the flat side. And I think we got all the flux. Had to do this real fast. We don't want to grind any metal away or put real deep gouges. We had to do it really fast, just, you know, super fast. Just get the stuff out there. Okay, we're going to wire brush it and see what it looks like. Well, we even took some of our black polish, which is the first one I use on metal and most abrasive. You know, it does kind of hide the brass. It's kind of hard to see on camera, you know, the brass compared to the silver, because they both reflect. It really is hard to tell the difference. Even from a distance, it's hanging up. I don't know if I'm going to braze a loop on here or just tie a string on it, but there you go. I'm not an artist. Like I said, this turned out egg-shaped. I took advantage of it. I figured if I was going to make a peace sign, it'll be bigger at the bottom. So, thanks for watching.